Lo ata.
Listen, what are you doing? Oh, you're making a hole right here?
Tuna, are you making chocolate milk?
No.
No, what are you making?
We're making chocolate milk.
Oh, yeah?
We are.
Oh, yeah?
We're making white milk. We're making... This is not how we make white milk. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Coca-Cola. Lo ata leo thấu.
Yeah, I'm gonna make chocolate milk.
You gonna make chocolate milk? But you can't drink it, okay?
I'm not drinking it. I'm not the beach. We're at the beach or silly. I came up. You have your camera behind you.
Yeah?
Yes, I saw you.
You saw me?
No,
Yeah.
because Uncle Tony and Auntie Tony always record for memories and stuff.
Yeah.
Babies.
So in 10 years from now, you guys gonna watch it and you guys gonna be sad and be happy at the same time.
Yes, we're gonna be grown ups. No,
You guys gonna be grown-ups.
No, we're not cry.
You're not gonna cry?
No,
I promise you, you're gonna cry in 20 years, girl.
No, when we
Yes.
grow older, we're gonna watch it and then after we're not crying, we want to be a baby.
Yeah, you're gonna want to be a baby again. You're gonna wish.
Baby again.
Yeah.
Baby, I get to have fun and I get everything I like.
Oh yeah, you get whatever you want. That's right, girl. Only when you're a baby. When you're grown up like us, too much bills you got to worry about. Look at those two over there. See, mucha girls, hella fat. Eat and fish at the same time.
Okay, then that's good. Okay. I'm making white milk.
You making white milk?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Mama!
What happened to our doctor today? AA? Our fish doctor. Where's our fish doctor, man? He's gone? Where did he go?
He quit.
He quit? He got fired?
Yeah.
Or did he quit?
He quit.
He quit? Our doctor quit? Mm. Good times. Come on, Tuna! Come here. Come here. Come here.
Hey, you guys hungry?
Come here. They're always hungry. Come on, let's come fish. Come here, Uncle Tony could hold you. Hi, Tuna. Hi, Tuna. Kiss me first. Mwah. Need help? Okay. Go play with them, okay? You be careful. Oh my God, radio. You need that? You made it? Panama loves you. Ciao. See? Told her dad, you let her have fun, huh? Don't mom boring. But Jay. Dad, look at this guy. Pro fisherman right now. Come on, Jay, we need to get something on the line, bro. Hopefully Uncle Mal bring us luck. Hey, I hope you brought us luck, bro. All right.
Well, luck for what?
To catch some fish. Yeah. I know, Mr. Bobo.
I don't know.
Hey, you guys having fun?
Yeah.
Ina, look who I got out fishing with me, bro. It's gonna snow here in Sacramento tomorrow because she's out fishing with Uncle Tony. Finally, she came out of her cage, yo. Hi, Ina, I love you.
I love you too.
I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Yeah, she did. Mama. You didn't take me, huh? You happy today now? Yeah. Hi, Gracie.
I knew my dad was lying.
Yeah?
I knew my dad was lying.
Oh, yeah?
My dad was lying. Yeah, I was the same place.
Oh, yeah? Your daddy lied to you? Oh, what? The bike? Yeah, 'cause Uncle Joey said you guys don't even know how to ride a bike.
We just did.
He said you guys are clumsy. Huh? Take off your sweater? No, I don't think so, girlfriend. It's cold.
You don't want to get sick like
Yeah. No. You have to wear it.
Trisha, you have to wear it because you get sick easy.
No, all of you guys need to wear your sweater. These are your bread earlier that you didn't want. Get it. 그만 제일함이야. 요 정신 정신. I'm winning. I'm winning. Yeah. Winning. Winning.
We just gonna feed them.
아,
You like what?
你嘴多，咁接手你當我噶。
Feed the other one. Daddy, look.
Damn, no kung to Ina. I'm winning. I got Ina. Come on with me. I'm winning. No more, baby. No more. No, that's the joy.
Okay, Bo.
This boy, he ain't playing. He's trying to win, boy. That big mama, yes.
Yeah, it's going with the tornado.
Yeah. There's no tornado.
I'm just going.
There's not gonna be any tornado. You'll be all right. Just go play, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
So storm's coming.
Yeah, the storm's coming.
Storm's coming.
Storm's coming. It's okay though. Uncle Tony will protect you, okay? Yeah.
Hey, Dad, we feed ourselves just like Peppa Pig.
Okay.
Look at these.
Here.
What? This is all for cleaning here.
Okay. Oh, that's for cleaning hand? Okay.
B.
Okay, go play. Go, you guys.
Okay. Johnny, that's the day.
Too clumsy trying to ride bike.
No, I'll be done. Here, I'll go do more. Whoa, they're a good catcher. Whoa.
New pet. Đây trong mình yêu à? Dạ, là chỉ nhớ sống trống rồi.
Uncle Joey, go throw in the water.
Ờ, lắm bao tuột. Sai
Throw
tiếng Anh mà.
some in the water. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, pretty. You guys have fun?
Yes, I'm hot.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Wait, Dad. Wait, Dad. If it's hot, take off. Wait, Dad. Wait, Dad.
Huh?
If you're hot, take off your sweater. But if it's cold, you can put your sweater on.
Yeah, you better wear your sweater
Okay.
because it's cold.
Now you put that coat. I just.
Hi. No, finally got Ina out her cage. Mel, she got to put on 2-hour makeup before we come. Always got to wait for her.
No, I was gonna go to a party, but.
Oh, go to a party. Oh, so you rather come party at the river, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Come on, let's party, fish. We got Ina out trying to catch some fish. So pretty. Look, oh, she's wilding out today. Ina, oh. Like you lost snow, oh. Good job. Oh my God. Crazy. Oh. Bọc trời. Anh là phụ này gì anh là tiếng bà quay từ kinh đâu 你给我打兔子啊！不要不搞点炸的，你不能去看。
Get it! You got it. You got receipt.
你找多少给高的？他保证不高的。
啊！
Not for me.
嚟錢啊嘛，切實咯。
I just fuck up a pig.
ตัว龍仔靚啊，都擺酷，你自傲啦，人在原來不漏的哦，在台你都我是學嚟會亂亂的，你家係咪拆不啦？我哋啷子打歌啊，啷打國茶。
The keys. You want those? The keys. The key. The key. Follow me, the keys. You like that. Okay. One for you and one for you. Oh! And give me.
It's my sandwich though.
Wait, I just want a little bit so I can feed them. A ducks!
Okay, here.
Take this one. I don't put Tony ducks. I just called them Uncle Tony ducks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Uncle Tony ducks. Oh, little ducks. Come on, yo, Sasha.
You crazy. Woo.
Hi. That's not biting. Pull up this.
就你這些人過好。
Ah, you scared cat.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Why you scared? Chắc là mình đã.
Another butt.
See, try your finger.
No.
Yeah, try your finger.
No.
Try your finger.
No, 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 no. Doggy, doggy. Yes. Give me another butt. Okay. Lucky.
Huh? Yeah, tuna here.
You know. Good job. Lucky. Lucky.
You're not, see, offer your hand.
Huh?
See, offer your hand.
He got it. He got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're eating the sand. Ew.
Mm.
I'm gonna feed the dogs. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Eat
Come
it
here.
up.
Come here.
Can I feed one?
Look.
Wait, your hair's not good. One for you and one for you. Hey, I want to feed it.
No, don't feed them our candy. No, that's for us. We just feed them bread.
Yeah. Thanks.
Mm.
Lucky. 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 He got it. He got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Lucky.
No more.
Lucky. He got it. Get the boat.
Hi, best day.
Tell it. Here, let me do it.
Don't eat it though.
Don't eat it though. But you peel it, but don't eat it though.
Hello.
Trong cư.
Reel it, reel it.
Reel it, reel it.
Reel it.
Don't let go, okay? Reel it.
Whoa. Reel your
Whoa. Ooh. Ooh.
Đây thì chị này là sai lá chim đó.
Whoa. Happy. Yeah. You got it.
Nhiều lái sai rồi biết không?
Go no.
Wow.
Sai không rồi.
Trout.
This?
Careful, okay? Careful. Okay, put it down. Cece, put it down right here.
Put it down, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, leave right there.
Hold on.
Ooh, gone. Yeah.
Quick, come.
Uh,
Who's next?
Wait, I need one.
you got it. Go, throw
No,
it.
I didn't.
No. Throw it.
No, I didn't got the one.
Throw it.
Throw it. Hold on.
Oh, kinh à. Kinh à. Con nhỏ. Con nhỏ. Không có biết cái gì kì.
I think wait for a fish.
Wait for a
Wait,
fish.
I need a chair.
You need-
Get the chair for me.
Can I get the chair for you?
Yes.
No, just stand up. You can't catch fish if you're sitting, dude. You gotta stand up to catch the fish.
Oh, I can't. Can you give me a wine?
Hey, that's a fish right there. You're gonna catch a big fish. Go, toss it out. All right. Tony.
What's that?
What?
Oh no, is that a shark?
Yeah. That's a puffer fish.
I want to say puffer fish.
Okay, it's gonna bite your fishing pole. You wanna get it, okay?
Yeah.
Gonna get it, okay?
I'm so scared.
You're so scared. Okay, 1,
No.
2. The puffer fish is gonna come, okay?
No.
3. Liar. Dramatic.
I think I got it.
You think you got it? Oh, here comes the puffer fish. Here it comes. Ooh.
Oh, missed it.
You missed it? Oh, it's okay. Try it again.
Wait. Okay.
Try it
Dad,
again.
can you give me one?
Right. That's the one right there, baby.
No.
Yeah, that's the one.
3. What?
Yeah.
We'll get closer.
Okay. Ready for the puffer fish?
Go, Joey, wait for me.
Whoa!
For me. Put it over here. It's small.
Yeah, teamwork. Look, teamwork.
Still need to wait.
Okay.
You guys, I got it still. I have to do a cartwheel.
You know how to do cartwheel? Whoa!
I have to do a little one here.
You do it one hand? Let me see. Whoa!
I cannot do that.
You cannot do that?
The bridge.
Hey, 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 hey. Go close to the water, honey. Whoa, king, huh?
This time she went a little bit farther.
Yeah, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Crazy girl. Oh, man. You got it? Let's see.
Yes, see.
Let's see.
What?
Good job.
I wait to.
Teamwork. Okay. Teamwork. Teamwork. Make the dream work. That's hard. Okay, my turn, okay?
Hold on. I wish there was a tree right here and we could swing like.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Isn't that kind of dangerous?
And a tree
Yeah.
house. A tree house?
Oh, here come the police.
What kind of police?
Right there, look. Police. Ooh, they're looking for... who are you looking for? Oh, Tina? Tina Chad's right here?
And Gracie.
Oh, and Gracie's right there.
No! I'm not gonna fish anymore!
Right, hey, attitude. Oh my gosh. Attitude.
You still buddy to me!
Huh?
Selfish, Dad.
Oh, I'm to the police to come and get you. Watch.
No!
You better be nice. Ooh, see, look. Only bad girls scare of police. Oh, I done try look. Oh, here they come. See, look. Police over there. Look, police. Gracie is being... Charlie. Why are you so scared? Hey, why are you scared? Did you do something wrong?
No!
Then why are you scared? You didn't do nothing wrong.
I didn't do nothing!
Then why are you scared?
I don't want to get jail!
You don't want to get in jail?
No!
Yeah.
No, kids don't need to!
Kids don't need to.
Only adults!
Only adult.
Yeah.
Only adult go to jail.
No, but
What?
when the adult is bad, they can go to jail.
When adults bad, they can go to jail.
Yeah.
Kids will go to jail too. Yeah, they lock you up. Look, they lock you up in there. You see that brown house? They'll go lock you in there. But why you mad though? Did you do something wrong?
No!
Then why you
I
scared?
don't even like it!
Yeah, I don't know why she hate the police so much, but crazy girl. You got the big one?
No.
Oh, okay. It's a win-win situation for me.
Oh, you put sand in here for seashells?
Babysit kids at the river. Oh yeah. This guy happy. Be better if we could catch some fish here.
I know you're gonna fall off.
Look at this girl.
Yellow. Let me ask something. I need some water.
Need some water.
I need some water.
I don't let them max it out because
walking over here. See?
You're not funny.
Not sure.
You not funny?
Yeah.
I know.
What is she doing? Is she sleeping?
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Yeah, go wake her up. Go. Go wake her up.
Lexi, I can't believe it's
Go wake up your sister.
I know, right? Everyone here is like so good, right?
Hey, now you fell asleep. Hey, you know funny, huh? You know. You know funny, huh? She sleep anywhere she's at, dude. You don't wanna shut y'all.
So dreamy. Okay, Lexi, yeah, he's
Hi, pretty. You put on makeup?
Francis walking over here.
No.
Yes, Miss Francis.
It's too much. Oh, okay.
Stretching